Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to find recently watched videos on Facebook using the mobile application of Facebook. So this is super handy if you want to rewatch something but forgot the page or the group it was on. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Facebook application on your phone and then log in into your account. Once this step is done, simply tap on your profile picture on the top left hand corner of the screen. This is going to redirect you here on your personal profile page. Over here you will see the three dots right next to your profile. So simply tap on these three dots and here you will see the option of activity log. So you need to tap on it. Over here inside the activity log, you need to tap on the option of filters. So here on the top you will see all of the filters that you have. So you can just scroll through it and you can just take a look at the live videos. You will see all of your live videos over here. You can also just try to find the videos that you have watched. Here you can see we have the videos searched and the videos watched. So simply tap on the option of videos watched and here you will see the list of all of the people and all of the videos that you have basically watched. So you can tap on any one of these and taking a look at those videos again. Now if you want to delete them, you can see this recycle bin here on the top. So you can tap on it in order to remove all of these things. So this is how you can find your recently watched videos on Facebook using the mobile application. If this video was helpful to you, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more social media tips and comment below if you want me to cover any other topics. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.